So in the next section, we'll be going through the budget and bid strategy, which is set on a campaign level. So let's get on to it. The first section of things that you want to do is to set your budget setting for the average daily spend. So usually we start with a small amount, or if you already know what budget you are spending towards, you can set it right away. Note that the campaign can spend up to twice as much. So always monitor your campaign spend even though you have set a average daily spend. Next is the bidding. So how do you want Google to represent you while entering the auction? So the traditional option is to go by a maximum CPC, but nowadays there's more options for you to choose. So you can select the kind of targeting that not the targeting, the bid strategy that you want to target towards, whether you want to have more clicks or whether you have more impression share. The other options here you can see, right, is not available yet. I'll explain why later. So let's say you want to get as many clicks as possible, click this and then it'll select maximize clicks for you. If you want to set a maximum CPC limit, you're basically going towards a max CPC strategy, but you're still going to maximize as many clicks as possible. Or you can do an impression share, which you can define the positions that you want to target, whether it's the top 3 or the number 1 position, how frequent you want to appear, and again the CPC, the cost per click bid that you want to maximize, the maximum that you want to spend for each cost per click. If you want to select the traditional option of like maximum CPC without any maximize or target option, it's actually here. Click this and then there's an option for manual CPC. The reason why previously you can't select anything conversion related is that you haven't set up your conversion yet. And unfortunately, because this is our first search campaign in a brand new account, the option to select or set up your conversion is not available yet. So if you click on this here, it actually brings you back to where we were at. And in fact, it loses all the settings that you have set thus far, because technically the account is still under setup. The official status is that it's set up in progress. So a lot of these things we can't do yet. Ad rotation is how you want the ads to rotate between themselves when you have more than one ad in your ad group. Optimize is you let Google to select which one to show more often. Do not optimize, then Google will try their best to do a 50-50. For this case, we can just go with optimize. And that's it for the budget and bidding. Next, we'll go to the extensions.